Lagosians protesting over the scarcity of new naira notes.
Exactly. This is what we want. Yes, but don't do like this. They won't know how it is.
We are in front of Wemapa. We just left UBA. We are going to all the headquarters of the various banks we have in Nigeria. The new Naira note belongs to all of us. We have gone to ATMs. We cannot access this new Naira note. We have gone to banks. We cannot access this new Naira note. We learned and we are here.